Maddie and Caties Cooking Make Things TV show. Woo! Hi friends, I'm Maddie and that's Caties. Hello friends, bye. I love you, bye. Today we are reviewing So Soft, So Cute, So Much. So I'm gonna open Moj Moj Delectable Cuties. Well, I'm opening mine. She's gonna talk about it. Okay, they're adorable. And when you go into the Moj Moj forest, a beautiful, adorable. There's two Moj Moj in here, and I already have a Moj Moj. I have two Moj Moj. I have five Moj Moj. Two Moj Moj. Because I have two. Oh, I have a green one and a blue. Ooh, that sounds cool. Just to be truthful, Moj Mojs are adorable. And when you're walking through the Moj Moj cutesy forest, you get to know a lot about them because you're on the cutting edge of cuteness, on the trail of cuteness, on the trail of softness, on the beautiful trail of Moj Moj. So first up, we run into the Adventure Seekers. My favorite. I like that. I also like the party animals, happy campers, sunbathers, couch potatoes, and day campers. And it's series Smiley Face. So I have already two. I have already one. It's like a white. This is the ducky. It's really cute. Katie got it. It is a couch potato. I think. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's a couch potato, and it is the S096. So 096. Look, S is for squishy and stretchy. I'm gonna put. So what's the other one? I have two. See the other one? I have three of these. This is a blue cute puppy. Sorry if it's bad lighting. It is. Oh no! Can you get that? That is the Adventure Seeker. Oh, 16. That's great. I'm going to open my adorable pink one. I have three of these now. Where's mine? Oh, here. Okay. So I'm gonna lay mine right here. Let's do this. I'm taking this. Let's do this, baby. Oh no, there's a band around it. So the band is sometimes there. I hope you don't get the one that I got. I didn't. I think I got a few couch potatoes. Here. Mom. Here. Who cares about your hair? I think I got something cute. Did I just get like a little... Just an elephant? I'm going to ask my parents. OMG, I think it's an elephant. I'm going to ask my parents if they can get my other Moj Moj. Oh, there it is. It's a sunbather. And it's 79. Where? And it's a rare. I got a rare. Yes. So now I got a rare. Woo! And there are also two unicorns you can collect, which I really, really want one. And so does Katie. Personally, this elephant is too cute to desire. I mean, it's just so cute. So let's open up my bunny still. I still have my bunny. You got the same one as that. Pa, dude. Don't talk about it. These are too cute to spare. This one is an adorable little bunny. I think it's so cute and it's so stretchable. I don't want to break you, little bunny. I got this one. It is on the it is a happy camper. So let's take this one. Maddie, you knew it was a happy camper. And I got a panda! OMG, I'm so happy for you, Katie. Show me the checklist. I'll read it. So I have 4 Moj Moj. Alright, time to open Moj Moj bag 2. I really hope I get an ultra rare. It would be a dream come true. Yeah, but if I want one of Maddie's, she won't give it to me because we're sharing all these. So she has a panda. Yeah, this is your panda too.
And you have my ultra rare elephant.
Yeah.
So I've got a really chubby fat cat.
Wait, let me see this.
It's a chubby fat cat.
Wait, I think I found
It's
it.
definitely a daydreamer, I think.
Yeah, I think I can found it.
Oh, so it's a party animal.
Wait, it's right there.
It's a party animal pig, and it's 26. It looks like this, if you're wondering. They won't exactly stand up that much. So let's see the other one. Please be an ultra rare, 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 please be an ultra rare. My fingers are crossed and my hope is on. I have a feeling I got it.
Wait, I think I know where that is. Wait, let me see it. Let me hold it.
It is a,
Hey, I have the same one, just it's white.
yeah.
Right there.
I got another rare. 2 rares on my first try. It's always been a dream to come true to get these Moj Mojs, and they're adorable.
So we're gonna put ours together.
And we've got so many cute ones.
I have one
Now
extra.
it's time to pick favorites. This is gonna be
So
nuts.
I'm gonna go first.
Let's scoot these back so they can see.
I'm gonna scoot these back. So my favorite is Bunny.
Are you sure that bunny is mine? But
No, we're sharing.
I know. My favorite, oh, this is so hard. You can only have one. It has to be the elephant. I love elephants so much. It's so great. I am so grateful I got it. But if I had to pick a second, it would be this one. And if I'm not picking rares, mine would be the bird, the ducky. So, goodbye from the Moj Mojs and me. Also, special thank you to Target. Boomerang on those ultra rares, Target. This is awesome. Moj Mojs are adorable and cute. So, we'll see you in our next video. See you in the next video from the Moj Mojs and Maddie and Caties. Subscribe and like. And watch our channel. It's really good. Bye-bye. We'll see you in the next video. Bye. We might be in another video. Maybe Elefante.